Hello, in this video I show you the location and how to remove the horn on Opel Tigra. The horn on this car is located on the front, it's located right there behind the front bumper. To remove the horn you don't need to remove the front bumper, but I removed it for different reasons, and now I'll show you where the bolt is and also the electrical connector. That's the bolt right there, and that's the electrical connector. There's the electrical connector removed. Now I'm going to remove the bolt and then I can take out the horn, and putting it back on is in the exact reverse order. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.